the grass no more, so we could.
I got power tools that way we get it over with quick.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. I got power tools that we get it over with quick. I'm roadside assistance. I'll help you. I'll give you a hand right quick. All right. I saw y'all passing. I had to go help a customer up here real fast.
Somebody said, "Good picture, give me a place to get
You get your jack? Oh, you want me to grab mine? I can grab mine.
Just hydraulic jack right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I got one too, but if you want to grab yours, yours is. Yeah. This ain't too bad though. I changed them on the Chafalaya Basin Bridge, and man, that's the spot right there.
United, which that's where
Yeah.
she's changing on time. Interstate is
Look like 19. Alright, jack slide. Don't go too high with it. Yeah, no problem. I saw y'all, but I had to get to my customer first.
just to get the tire out, to lower the tire on this thing was crazy.
The biggest problem is getting this tire out, figuring out how to get it out from underneath.
I wish I'd have been here to show y'all. I got some tools that I use. Drop it right down.
Better get the owner's man, you figure out where in the hell it was. Get it.
Oh, you got one more on there. Okay. Closer than come on. We'll put it up.
Daddy, just some of you thought you were tired.
All right, let it down. Looks like she got air in it, so it should be good. Y'all have a good one, all right?
I so appreciate
You're welcome. No problem, y'all. Enjoy the rest of y'all Saturday.